Market is open.
You're open, mommy.
Well, make sure you make some money today. You're working
Shoot.
on a deficit.
Shoot. Mr. Deficit. Mr. Money with the vibe right now. I don't see anything. I'm just order it, bro.
It's there, bro. The money's there.
Huh?
The money is there. Box that door.
Who you talking to, punk?
You punk. Ray says minus 27. I will bet income.
Hold on.
Situational awareness, the hedge fund. Let's give you an update on where it stands, but also we need to incorporate it into what is happening in the market today, yesterday, because it has had such an impact. And, you know, by the way,
Very
there's
good.
a lot of delevering going on.
Have you seen it?
Come and
Jimbo.
see what the Lord has done.
You know, where the long AI short software unwind took place, and then you've got the reversal.
I'm just trying.
Take you back to Wednesday when you and I were making fun of Goldman Sachs' unconstrained momentum, because that was so much of the story. And you're talking about unconstrained momentum. Remember this word? I hate it. Drawdown. It just means just losses. It's Wall Street's great word. They're amazing, and we all use it. Anyway, losses. And the losses were as bad as they'd ever been, frankly, almost since they've been keeping track of this. And that is
You don't remove card and sharp sharp, so it's too early.
Oh, me?
Mm.
Oh, brother.
Here we go. Nothing, no breakfast, nothing to drink. What happened?
Ask him. I told you, Femi will be cooking for you.
Dang, fella, what's her breakfast?
Breakfast. That was useless, bro. I don't know this.
Oh, God.
She's not gonna argue with me on that one. It's not an argument, bro.
She's tough at soccer, though, so it all makes up.
And you can see these are the names of many of them that he owned. Well, certainly the SanDiscs. You have a lot of that, but he was like 45 billion, as I reported yesterday, early in the day on July 1st. Now that was 1/3 privates, 2/3, let's call it public equities. That's levered 4-to-1. He took in a lot of money as well. It wasn't all capital appreciation from 3 billion to 45 billion, though a lot of it was. So if you came in May or June, you are down. If you came in earlier in the year, you still may be okay, but he's out now. He's unlevered. The small public equities he has, and then he's got his privates, led by Anthropic.
You sent me how much?
So,
Huh? 27? Well, actually, it's 2861. It don't matter. It's placed, bro. Huh?
15 though.
Huh?
You said it's 20 what?
It's 2861.
You're rich. The dollar's that's the $1 item that you should support a more about you.
Oh, word.
Dario Modet, the CEO of Anthropic, they're getting married this weekend, Mr. Ashenbetter, and he can basically clear his mind. It's, Citadel, by the way, came out of this. They saved other prime brokers potentially from losses.
Now, wait a second, David. Some prime brokers short were using dynamic hedges and knockout puts to protect themselves all the way down. So some did better than others. They all wanted his money. They all, because the fees for
the guy lose all his money? The guy took leverage and got blow up. What happened to the internet now?
Here we go. No, that one. Oh, hold it. We.
Or somebody bought it.
This is something that Zach put together. Right, you can do it. Back up. This is our goodwill all day. And you can see the losses. And this was what happened Friday. Yeah. A lot of people thought it was. No, don't stop. I gotta get off my seat. Here, right.
Okay, I like it.
Yeah, you can put that together in about 7 seconds.
It's like we've walked back in time. It's like we're
But
doing
David, I
the
want
Today
you to
Show
know-
in 1962
I'm
here.
with Tan and David Zinsser, okay? He's the CFO of Intel, and we're thinking maybe 110, 111, because the quarter's just a total blowout. And now we're starting to think, wait a second, it's going down every second, starting at 6:15, every second. And it turned out to be him, and people said it was Kevin Warsh. Kevin Warsh.
Jim will never fully understand the impact that situational awareness and the followers,
Yes.
both in retail and other hedge funds that had similar
There
trades,
were many
will
that
never
really-
fully understand the impact they had on stocks. But your use of Intel in particular came up with me as well.
Oh, my
And
God.
after what happened to that stock, I know.
It got hit so badly. It was so clear there was not a single uptick. Just barely banged it down and banged it. How badly? But David, when did they know? Because the letter was too late. Was it Wednesday of last week?
I got a call Saturday night was my first phone call. Saturday night.
Saturday night.
Yeah. Now I may have been a little late. I got the call Saturday night, and then Sunday, and then I didn't say a word about it. I mentioned it very briefly on
We
Tuesday.
do not want to be the reason why
Exactly.
that we put some guy out of business. Even this guy who was a valedictorian at 19.
All right, so let's fast forward now to where we are now.
Yeah.
The rotation. You know, you had a lot of consumer names that were getting bought, Jim, as a hedge. That is unwinding. You had greater unwinds and financial momentum that were taking
The
place.
software's a service unwind.
Yes.
Those stocks have been going down endlessly. And you've been speaking to the CEOs, and they're like, listen, my business isn't that bad. But he was pressing them down every day.
Right, but then everything went against him, and now it all turned around yesterday. Look at the move in Micron yesterday, the move in Sandisk, the move in AMD yesterday.
I mean, I can't believe it was like Mark Grubbs like twice. Just buy it. Just buy it because it didn't matter. Because you knew.
By the way, look at what we've done in a day there. This was a $700 stock.
There was a huge amount that traded between 700 and 720. Do you know that? Huge amount. By people who had a good sense of what was going on.
So, just to, and we'll level set and then move on to some of the other
This was his
movers. So, you know, this is, as a story in terms of its market impact, it's kind of done at this point. He's not done. He's going to get married. He's 24 years old. He's still got plenty of privates and profits. I don't know. I haven't talked to the guy.
He's miserable. He's probably unhappy.
Yeah.
He's unhappy.
This is the pistol that you want to see.
I did great.
You know what?
Pistol they want to see.
The winners are sealed for a reason. How's that?
Okay, that's dark.
Don't know what.
It's not touching.
I mean, you can have a
Use
couple of
this.
ways.
Have a bad couple of days. Let's get married. Give him a break, man.
I'm gonna zoom in.
Yeah.
But here's the thing that matters. This guy, not Kevin Warsh, was responsible for the last hour of trading. And everyone was saying, oh my God, if 5.2, 5.2. No, it was Warsh that started talking, right?
Yeah.
But it was
Yeah.
this
Yeah,
guy.
it was him getting sold out. Now, by the way,
$17.
everybody's trying to figure out how much money Citadel made
Yeah, I thought we
already.
did.
You know,
How much they paid brokers?
they fed all this into the giant quant machine there, and I mean, it's billions that Citadel probably made right away because, of course, again, you're buying this. You know, you're getting the shorts at a premium, the longs at a discount.
They just showed it. They didn't want to show it to a lot of people. And
Well, there were only a handful that could actually take off. Now, my reporting yesterday, there were a number of different potential baskets that were being negotiated, but then Citadel just stood up for the entire thing. Millennium may also have tried to be there, but you know, you're going to take the best bid you can,
Right.
And they did.
And a lot
So
of folks were in it. They were in it. They
Griffin's
did.
firm yet again because they have the liquidity, they have the size, they have the scale, and they have the ability to take the risk and/or understand the
You
risk.
know how many people didn't, and major CEOs didn't know that he was
Why did they put radio? So then this is okay, federal exemptions, state tax. But over there, they don't charge nothing.
Medicare, right there, through all those things.
What do you mean all those? IT is what?
That I'm not sure, but still, Medicare,
Yeah, I see Social Security. I see Social Security, I see the Medicare, right? Well, I'm asking you, where's your federal tax? Where they don't credit, when they credit, where they show it? How much they can credit? What is it?
I think FIT is the federal tax.
Stop it. I said, dude, Bitcoin's at $25 recommend. All right, by the way, since you just hear about one, we're basically going to crack.
Paid taxes,
Doing such a good job today. You really are. Keep it up.
Social Security.
Because I wanted to talk a little bit
What is state tax?
IBM and your interview with Arvin of the impact of using Coinbase and some of these other names are getting hit today, Jim, and I'd love to get your thoughts about that.
I'm going to sell after what he said.
Federal tax,
Do we have it?
1,000.
We're gonna listen to Arvin Krishna on quantum on Mad Money last night. Take a listen.
I have some crypto. When I think about the equations that people tell me can never be cracked to get to my crypto, I've discussed it at the University of Chicago announcement. Should I be more careful?
I think that you should give yourself 3 or 4 years, and at that point, I would get rather paranoid about it.
Good. 3 4 years. That's not that long.
No, that's not that long.
This is just one page, right? And this page is
Ethereum now, really, maybe even worse. So I think that people have to take this man seriously because they're doing commercial quant. And this quant, the Chicago study makes
June
it
17th.
It did an equation that no one thought would ever be solved. That's right. And it's now also when you think about Bitcoin. Now that we think about Bitcoin,
It's during that conference, there's
you don't know anything. I don't have to know anything. I asked the questions. I didn't give an answer. But Arvin Krishna knows quantum incredibly. He knows Bitcoin and quantum. And I'm going to sell like
You are.
yes, absolutely.
Just on what he said.
He's the man.
state tax. This amount of
3-4 years. David, you know what 3-4 years is?
By the way, did he give you any
so they say that everything is
in
inside.
terms of what happened last quarter?
This is state
You
tax.
can do it with FIT, but you can go back. You can go with FIT. You don't want to do it with
So make sure they are taking all the taxes they're supposed to
Let's
pay.
get back to the bigger movers this morning. We started the show with them, of course, but
Okay, FIT is federal income tax.
things. We've got Apple down 9%. Amazon is up 13.5%.
With state taxes, but go down and you see state tax. But this is a place, is it a government place?
It's I'm not sure if it's necessarily government, but it's like the whole state. Yeah, see, it's a public government owned.
Okay, finally did.
Mookie.
Yo,
When's the bottle coming?
that's a good question. It says overnight, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m.
What a quick I see, man. Market's going back down. Yay.
Yay!
First one, money, work. Now it's lifting weights. Money in the gym. Now it's every day. They turn up once a year.
Turn up every day.
Oh, you got the diamonds like a heavy cut. Just so better. Interview more than months with the person that makes me like it's a comedy.
Like dog.
Oh, that's a diamonds like strawberry. Interview more than months with the person. The person that makes me like it's a comedy.
Yeah, there it is. I'm going to take a look at the course today. Let me just, there we take a look. I want to come back to something I mentioned because, we were going to get this is Profit IPO. We're about to enter August. We're only, less than a month and a half away. This thing could come and Profit is doing these test the waters meetings with various, they go through what they say almost like how I don't know that they're saying anything we already have to see. It seems like everything that happens there gets reported by somebody. But they are on a road, and it is a fast road, and it will be fascinating to see.
You're probably going to get Anthropic. You have all that excess stock that's coming from SpaceX. We don't know what's going to be Tesla. But we have to finish soon because the bond market is saturated with stuff.
Speaking of the bond market, let's get over to Rick Santelli. He's in
And then just sit down with a quicksand. What the hell, but dumb how to make a cake, bro.
But it couldn't have to make a cake drop. I need a steak drop.
Came in April, so really it has been going quite well. Continuing to move higher, and the driving force
Support level. Break it. Who wants why break it? Oh, break it. Yay, break it.
we saw the reversal in oil when the MOU is holding, and it really has dropped
What breaking news?
on the interest rate side.
Chicago PMI.
No, Donald Trump passed away.
No, what happened if Donald Trump passed away again?
I didn't know where I could go up.
explain itself. Who's liable when it's wrong?
Well, of course. The thing about that is humans have less and less understanding of what is actually
I think what Michael's trying to say is
Yawn.
Meet the Infrastructure Capital Bond Income ETF. BNDS actively invests in bonds backed by companies with durable cash flows generated from real assets, built to deliver income through market cycles. With a 7.5%
Mr. Kennedy's your student. I'm watching live. Wagwan, how the market moving. It's kind of just going in a straight line. This is whack today, bro. Mr. Ibu. Chai. Kenny boy. Kenny boy. Hey, God. What?
I'm not going to shower yet, fellas. So for collectible first.
Ew.
Bro, you suck at soccer.
Oh.
How about that ratio?
Dang.
How about that ratio, bro? What's that ratio case? I thought we'd do like 30 laps yesterday.
Really? She was tired?
Yep, now I did 2 laps yesterday. She's gonna run with not her max potential. Max potential.
That's what fella said.
Her max potential.
What even is your max?
2 feet per hour.
No.
The market is damn excited. That's what it is. So we love to see. It just depends on the seed.
No, you can't. Why do you even care about locking the door? Huh? When you're supposed to do it, you don't do it.
Wall Street is not that dope. Wall Street.
Hey, listen. No losses for prime brokers. Not like our Caicos.
This is what happened with David Tepper. When he was my boss and I was trying to do margin.
No, I don't think it would have
No, I think he wanted to kill me. He probably could have killed me.
We got stop trading next.
when you invest, you are not wagering on an outcome and walking away with either a windfall or nothing. You are a participant in wealth creation. Our purpose is to help investors build and protect wealth over time, not to make financial security feel like Las Vegas. Owning beats hoping. Discipline beats speculation. And the long run belongs to those who invest in it.
But at Cormier, the fact that we've spent years building a business that is around the founder really puts us in an unusual spot to help.
We actually help them understand that the lifestyle that they're going to have in year 1 is going to look a lot different in year 3 and year 5, and we need to help them evolve as they kind of go through that process.
The idea of having us co-pilot structuring and of course the life after the deal
Kennedy is your student?
has been something that I think is invaluable
Mm-hmm.
and work for them.
Kennedy
Yeah.
is watching you.
Yeah.
When I lost my mom, she was only 46. It made me realize how important it is to protect my family. That's why I got
Why don't we go back to being ready?
Huh?
This about to go back to being ready.
check your
This guy.
at evos.com.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say they didn't videos to move like rapid fire.
Yeah.
I'm reading the number. They were, ooh.
And my father told me to catch it and missed all the generational run.
And
Can't say I was part of
that's
it.
not how good it was back then.
You thought it was gonna be like that forever?
And let's go.
Every day.
Yeah.
Everything will be down and that's the only thing green. And it won't even be like a little green. It'll be deep green.
And it'll be flying up and down, up and down.
It couldn't even fly down. Like genuinely.
Looking like the numbers be flying up and down.
Oh, the way it bounced.
This is fast as look trying to do today. We can start moving this amount of weight in the
Huh?
haven't seen something with this type of volume in a long time.
What is different about today?
Like, Menora is moving faster than usual.
This guy.
These guys.
But now, with her new teeth for affordable dentures and implants, she leads with the power of 1,000.
Reversing money. Word. It's reversing.
Lori won $2,000 Tiffany earrings for just $1, and Joseph won an iPad for just $6. There's millions of fast options. So try today at DealDash.com for $50 of free credit and your first win guaranteed.
I wonder if this will be a reject. If not, it's fries. I'm gonna just start back testing, bro. It's just taking forever.
I'm a zone to the moon. Apple is shitting why now? Why Apple?
Her brand of
Said,
comedy
wow,
keeps you wondering,
where,
is this me?
you, wow, where.
And how does she never miss?
Sing, Mookie, sing,
But why
wow,
is she a certain
Where?
when it comes to taking care of animals? You need you.
This kind of a retest, Mookie?
What?
This kind of a retest in your strategy, Mookie?
What?
So we'll up and then come back down.
Nah. Because I didn't touch it. For me, at least. Are you in anything or nah?
Nope. Oh, the word, buddy.
Are you leaving early or nah? Same time. Damn.
Because it's an illegal cross down.
Illegal?
It's illegal.
Word. The lines aren't here, they look like this.
Learn about our more than 100 online degrees and certificates.
The lines are shaking beer, Kiati.
Alright, bro.
I'll give her.
But I take Bitcoin Hydrulo self-injection.
Same. It's the first major innovation in CIDP
Hey.
treatment in 30 years.
Bitcoin Hydrulo has been proven to significantly reduce the risk of symptoms getting worse.
And I can treat my CIDP with one weekly self-injection.
Go down, spy.
If allergic
Go
to the
down.
ingredients,
Keep
it
going,
can
keep
increase risk
going.
of infection,
That's
serious
Harvard.
allergic infusion or injection-related
What are we having?
Again? Sheesh.
What are we having, bro?
Shoot.
Lord have mercy.
What do? Boss.
If you have infection or fever, high blood pressure,
Pull up like the grass.
chest, stomach, or back
She
pain,
loves
vaccinations,
me.
allergies,
They
or kidney
love
problems.
me.
Most common
That's
side
too
effects
shy.
include respiratory and
Bust
urinary
that
tract
dog.
infections, headache,
I
and
love
injection-site
you.
reactions.
This guy in Basta dog. Bro.
Pull up like the grass. She loves me. They love me. That's too shy. My friends say, make she know the play. Odumodo chop when they live for crying. Damn, the spy said again, shit. The spy said, shit.
Why invest in Y Refi?
The spy just going there straight down on a break through, make a new low for the day.
5% rate of
Make a
return.
new low for the
That's
day.
fixed.
One
Make sure
general.
to review the PPM and scan this QR code for more details.
Stop chopping bastard dog. Let's go to the floor.
That many people are
Spot at
committed and
720.
may
Let's
not
go.
know it.
Let's
Give
do
them
it.
a call to find
One
out
day.
if you
$20
qualify.
down one day.
Y Refi. You'll like investing in America's future.
What do I do? Throw the candles. Throw the candles.
Subscriber-only content from Wall Street pros like Josh Brown. You're gonna love this stuff.
Josh Brown is a bomb.
Become a CNBC Pro. Go to CNBC.com/getpro now. Remember when watching TV was
She's
simple?
not paying me half cent, Mickey.
Huh?
She's not paying me half cent.
What?
She's not paying me half cent. She's not movie.
Okay. Now what?
She had to know. Damn, if I just hit the flow. If I just hit that flow. Breaking news, Bumble Cloud.
Better than I would have expected. You know, the mid-month reads get converted to the final read. That's what we're
Every
looking
day
at. for
breaking
July.
news, breaking
Headline
news.
number mid-month was 54.4.
No, you're not in something moving. That shit is looking bored.
Nah, I'm not. You are?
I'm gonna give it to eat my shit.
Hmm?
I'm gonna give it to eat king.
So what that mean?
So I'm doing zero to eat for fun.
Because that means what?
I'm doing zero to eat for fun.
So what should I take from that?
Just take notes.
Nah, OC, bro.
I'm gonna go to eat so I can get back on Monday.
Alright, tell me when you exit, bro, so I follow you on the exit. I'll get a C class.
No, sir. It's zero to eat a World Series.
Hey.
That'd be fun though. Zero to eat is so fun. Shit.
It's fun. It's kind of
I think it's fun.
That's how people in the casino feel, I'm sure. It's fun.
You can $100 to $200 within seconds.
Remains at 3.3%.
Spice is flooring. Team the floor. No, still poor.
Of the year, and it would be the lightest since we're 3.9, and that was in May. So the numbers definitely improved a bit on the actual confidence numbers. Pretty much sideways moves on inflation. Rates are elevated.
You spot out a nice 34% drop today.
Spy. What do you have planned that's gonna happen?
What I have planned?
Yes.
Exception of America.
Oh, word.
I have a new code on the way.
You have a new what?
COVID.
Like, just 4%. I thought you have a whole new virus, so.
Breaking news in 5 seconds. Damn it.
Hmm? I keep spamming money.
Yeah, stop. YouTube just banned me from talking in chat.
What?
I said YouTube just banned me from talking in chat.
Shh.
Let's take a break. Take a break on the chat. Your stream is lagging.
Really? Why?
Oh, this is a beautiful diamond.
Oh, God.
The 1 minute man is. Holy shit, this one is beautiful in the 1 minute. This is the trade of dreams right here. Shoot. In 1 minute, oh, yo. Let's come
He increasingly believes that monetary policy has a role to play in addressing supply shock. So even if it's just a supply shock, he thinks the Fed ought to act. That Hammock said earlier today, inflationary pressures are coming not just from the supply side, but also from the demand side. Those three wanted to hike rates, Mike. As you know, 9 folks voted for keeping rates the same. And this is the sort of thing that people have wanted from Fed Chairman Warsh, but didn't get. And so the question is, who's leading the narrative? I would say I would give all of these statements away for one statement from Warsh about Warsh. What do you think about all this stuff?
Yeah, not sure that trade's on the table, but it is true that if he doesn't want to do it, others will do that, and the market's going to have to, kind of feed on those things. So we'll see how it goes. As Rick mentioned, yields at the long end still drifting higher. Thanks, Steve.
Now the latest on, of course, the story that occupied a lot of our time yesterday.
Today is the first?
No, tomorrow.
31st is today.
Awareness. Let's give you the latest at this point. This is a hedge fund, of course, that has had. Well, we're still trying to really figure out and discuss this with Mike and Siemens, what the impact it's had on our market for the last, let's call it, number of months. But where it stands now is that, well, the drama is kind of ending. There's no more leverage in the portfolio that situation awareness has.
The market was up night yesterday.
Public equities is largely gone. There may be some smaller size positions that have no leverage against them. And then a fairly large and significant
The market don't fulam.
companies led by a significant stake in Anthropic, which was not sold. So the public equities portfolio, both the short book and the longs, were taken by Citadel. Obviously, they've been paying it for the shorts, which means a discount, and a discount for the longs, which means a discount. And they probably made a lot of money at Citadel very quickly, given the quick reversals we saw in the
crazy. Yeah, boy. Shit.
The market, the fulam.
Down $7 in the high of today. In a straight line, bro.
Yeah, it's beautiful, Mitch. This beautiful mountain. Like this now, I just empty my savings and make it 5K. Yeah, I'm at 738 now. Sometime I'm wrong.
Well, Makala shoot. Now you the shit. For yourself, you don't come. Makala shoot. Joy, the thing is tanking like a water. Cryptos are shitting like hell. Everybody's getting out of crypto.
The market needs to go down another $15.
Huh?
The market should go down another 2,000 points.
Maybe I need to do some more doubles.
Shit. Let's take a loan, buddy.
A loan?
Yep.
That's the worst way to go, bro. Better I don't do nothing. Than to take a loan, better you don't do anything. Just quiet. Quiet!
Yeah.
I can't imagine TSLL at $6. I used to buy that thing at $11 and then I would sell it at $20. Now it is just shitting and shitting and shitting. That guy called Michael Berry that shot the market, man. The other day he got cooked. Now he's getting his money again today. But he's not getting this back over because AMD is still running out. He just made whoop whop and then now he might get fried by AMD. He shot AMD. He shot AMD, he shot Seagate, he shot he shot my ETF, SOXX, he shot it.
Right. In a straight line, bro.
Sure that there are no further losses, conceivably.
There are times when there's portfolio block trades will happen and the buyer doesn't even specifically know all the names. I mean, in this case they probably did, but in some cases it's like, oh, we're going to give you the characteristics of this portfolio, give me a price.
Now, this was a big number, obviously. I don't know. Citadel is not sharing, and a lot of people are trying to figure out just how much money they've already made on the trades. It is significant. There's no.
It's a white guy.
About that, Mike. But what does it mean in terms of what we can assume now, how these stocks will trade, and/or by the way, the delevering continues?
It most likely does. I mean, I don't know. Let's get to month end and see where we stand, and maybe we can, sleep at night through August, and maybe do our, trades that bank on lower volatility, something like that. But yesterday's nothing ever happens just in isolation. The reaction to Microsoft's quarter. I mean, Microsoft was a beaten down software name, and it got extra accelerant from this activity probably. And here we can talk too about Apple. Maybe the downside reaction is because Apple was also a net beneficiary. So Apple and Amazon last night they reported. Apple now at the bottom of the Dow in terms of performance this morning. Amazon at the top. Joining us is Gil Roy, head of technology research at D.A. Davidson. Gil, tough to separate out the kind of positioning in Apple to start ahead of the report with maybe some actual disappointment with some of the elements of the guidance. How do you read it?
like they can move back into Amazon and Microsoft. That's the rebalancing you're seeing today.
Oh my God.
Well, my Kalak cook, what I do?
Nothing.
What God do to you? What did God do to you?
This market.
It was the best articulation yet of why these companies are pouring so many resources into the data center. If Google a week ago really failed to do that, talked more about increasing the capex than the returns they're getting from that. Microsoft did a little better yesterday, a couple of days ago. Amazon did a great job of saying, hey, look, we just grew our business 37%, a huge acceleration from last quarter, and we're doing it at far higher margins than we used to have. We have $25 billion of AI revenue. We get 2 to 3 year payback on 6-year chips. So we are clearly getting very good returns on this investment, which is why we'll continue to invest. By the way, all the data centers we're building through 2027 already sold. We've locked in the margins, and we're selling into 2028. That was a very good articulation of why these companies are investing in data centers, which is causing relief across the board for all 3 of them. And market volatility aside, it should flow into semis as well. Because if these companies are continuing to invest through 27 and 28, we know what they're investing in.
Yeah, Gil, I mean, the story that these companies are responding to genuine demand signals, whether it's the rental rates or the backlog in terms of taking up capacity, remains kind of reassuring. But I do wonder, what the people who are booking all of this compute, what they're responding to. If it is just, we're in the research mode, we need to build models, we have to go as hard as we can as long as we're allowed to. I think that's one of those questions that seems to hang over this trade, which is there a destination we're heading toward where it's going to be rationalized and the investors, the cloud platforms, can kind of halt and let kind of the sort of benefits of scale accrue to them?
Yeah, so let's talk about how demand is flowing through right now. So OpenAI and Anthropic combined will have more than $100 billion of revenue this year. That's up from zero a couple of years ago. And that is true demand. That is consumers and basically all companies saying, I am willing to pay this much for AI. Now, at the enterprise level, some of it is experimentation, but that experimentation is happening because there's very broad conviction that these tools will make us more productive. And if we as a company don't embrace them, our competitors will, and they'll do better than us. So there's a very broad understanding that AI tools are good, they can already drive productivity, and they're just going to get better. So they'll be the framework for competition in every industry. So everybody has to adopt that. That $100 billion of revenue is flowing through the hyperscalers, right? Microsoft, Amazon, Google are providing almost all of it, so that they're getting that return. And then they're also providing that AI to other companies that are trying to use other models or use models internally or use open source models. So again, Microsoft, Amazon, Google have all the customers, and the customers are showing they want to use AI, they're willing to pay for it, and they're going to be willing to pay for it more as the AI tools get better.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, as long as the financing flows to get the stuff built, I guess it works. For now, Gil, thanks very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Let's get to our roadmap for the rest of the hour. After the break, the latest on AI hacking fears.
The market is gone red. Wow.
Unauthorized access to 3 different organizations.
Plus, we'll talk more about concerns around funding the artificial intelligence build-out with the co-head of tech investment banking at Jefferies.
And New York State is suing Kalshi, calling the prediction market platform an illegal gambling operation. We'll get Kalshi's reaction with board member and former CFTC commissioner Brian Quintenz. Talk on the Street is back.
Homes, find
Ay, 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 ay.
Viking, exploring the world in comfort.
Never miss a moment.
I sold my Google a couple of months ago. I wanted to reduce my exposure to AI.
The hyperscalers, the reason why those stocks have underperformed is because while the earnings have been good, the free cash flow generation is atrocious. And then so the market has punished them.
Right now we have 40% fewer public companies as we had 30 years ago. There's so many disincentives for young companies to go public. We're out to change that.
We started Grow with one mission: make supplements people can trust to work. That's why every formula we make uses liposomal delivery designed so your body can actually take it in and you can feel the benefits.
A Bobole's life. Abuzi. Abuzi is life.
Flesh Abuzi.
You shouldn't have to sacrifice your well-being for your workplace. That was the idea behind the original Veridesk, and it transformed offices all around the world. It proved that when you sit, stand, and move more, you can work happier and healthier. So whether you're furnishing a whole office or outfitting your home office, Very has everything you need. Our bestsellers are on sale at Very.com.
Welcome back. Anthropic saying its AI models hacked into other companies' systems during a test. This follows OpenAI, of course, revealing a similar intrusion recently. Kate Rooney has a lot more for us on. Man, these stories, they get me a little worried, Kate. I don't know about you.
David, it is the takeaway. I think this is adding to a lot of the worry around AI. And as you mentioned, it's the latest cybersecurity issue in AI. Anthropic now says it found 3 cases where its AI agent Claude accidentally hacked real companies during what was supposed to be cybersecurity testing. Anthropic didn't say which companies were involved, but it does argue that this was an issue with the setup for these chats. So the AI model, according to Anthropic, said that they thought it was in a closed environment. So they thought they were essentially attacking a simulated target. Turns out that was not the case. These were real companies. Anthropic does argue the incidents were the result of a testing environment failure, and researchers basically left a door open and all that. They claim it wasn't AI going rogue or breaking out here. Anthropic said they started this, quote, retrospective review after OpenAI's incident last week. They say they ran 141,000 evaluations as part of that and encouraged other companies to go out and check their own AI agents as a result. This was all kicked off by OpenAI in a separate and in some ways similar issue just last week. An AI agent escaped a contained environment. It was also being tested, and then in order to find answers to this evaluation, it hacked into another startup called Hugging Face. It also, we found out later, breached another company in that process. OpenAI at the time called that event unprecedented, but it does underline this entire cybersecurity risk, guys, as the capability in
Fire for that.
AI. These tests
Fire
Huh?
for the market.
can clearly create
Holy Ghost fire the demon them.
Yo.
Holy Ghost fire the demon them. 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 Holy Ghost fire the demon them.
proposals out of Congress for a possible kill switch. Back to you.
Time for the king to go to employment.
Doesn't it go back to
Did you not work in today?
I work every day.
creators of the technology don't fully understand
You work
some of
every day.
the things it does and why it does what it does?
It's a good question.
All
I
right,
think
everything
that
to go back
is
to
a
school.
theme that we hear when AI starts to build AI, right? You have less human intervention, and it's relevant when you move towards a world where AI agents are doing a lot more. There's less oversight. There's less intervention, and I think that what's worrying a lot of folks in cybersecurity is that these were supposed to be test environments, and clearly, even with guardrails put up, there are issues. There are in some cases breaking out of hack environments, and if you find 3 out of 148,000 examples, it seems like a small number, but if they're hacking into other companies, it's making CFOs, CEOs, CTOs nervous about this technology in a way where they're also supposed to adopt it for
That's my baby love.
soon to be is a good reason to take charge of your health care. So consider this: an AARP Medicare Supplement Insurance Plan from United Healthcare. Why? Because Medicare alone doesn't pay for everything. And what it doesn't pay for, like deductibles and copays, really add up, even thousands of dollars a year. Medicare supplement plans help by paying some of what Medicare doesn't, and making your out-of-pocket costs a lot more predictable. Call United Healthcare today and ask for your free decision guide. Learn more about plan options and rates to fit your needs. Now, if you like this, greater freedom, you'll love that Medicare supplement plans have no networks and no referrals needed. See any doctor, any specialist, anywhere in the U.S., as long as they accept Medicare patients. These types of plans also give you more flexibility when traveling in the U.S. Your plan goes with you, anywhere you go in the country. Even better, Medicare supplement plans with the AARP name are plans endorsed by AARP. Call United Healthcare today for your free decision guide. So, if you're on Medicare and want less out-of-pocket costs and more peace of mind, consider adding this, an AARP Medicare supplement plan. Take charge of your healthcare today. Just use this or this to call United Healthcare about an AARP Medicare supplement plan.
Losing weight with a GLP-1? It's as easy as riding big training meals. Sorry, I can't hear you. Most people stop the meds eventually. The trick is learning to ride well on them. And that's new. GLP-1s kickstart your weight loss, mindset and habits, help you keep it off.
Hey Rebel, got your baby, rocky road.
I'm choosing a different road, Roger.
Miss you.
Here's the keys. Get started at
I get my ideas from Mad Money everywhere. I study it all the time. My viewers are my boss. They come to my show to learn how to do stock. Mad Money.
You're up earlier.
Trevor could have showered 20 separate times and it would have still been done. I said Trevor could have showered 20 separate times and she would still be out before you needed to shower.
Melanoma, the vote was 10-3. 9 of the 10 doctors on the panel voted in favor. It's just the latest turn in what has been a saga in the company. It's almost 4 years.
I wonder if we're gonna get this. I doubt it though. And who knows? I might just break it and it's over anyway. Got 30 minutes.
This is something that could be caused a lot of people with stage 4 melanoma to actually extend their life significantly, if not even allow them to go into full remission. Our company CEO joined me to talk about this last April.
Sheesh. She's gone for 4 years and still got found alive? She's wildin'. She's actually wildin'. Yeah, low key, that could be like bounce material.
Where's Bevo?
In the room.
Where's in the room? What happened? He's over to it. He's seen no much to talk about. Why not yourself? Yeah, but why you don't get some seen yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Seen yesterday. Okay. I'm always. I don't talk no nothing. I don't know. So you know when I get on a plan yesterday. Favor. So the moment you see yesterday you were going to make breakfast today. See yesterday. Huh? You don't want to eat breakfast.
I don't eat
You don't want to eat. You don't want to eat bread. You don't know why she said that.
But if you want
But did she tell you yesterday that you're gonna make breakfast for me and you today?
yes, if you want something, I can make it for you.
If you want something, you make it for me. Okay.
But you just cook it right now, so you have to wait.
This is cooking right now after wait.
Are you using any of the Frontier AI models, Jacob, to help with DNA sequencing and data analysis?
Well, we have been using AI for quite a while. I mean, genome sequencing is complicated. We have 2 billion base pairs of letters, so to say, in each of our cells that you have to read. So there's a tremendous amount of data, and you need AI to really interpret that type of data to really understand the sequence. So
This is the one for me now.
fishing in AI for quite a while, but there's a tremendous opportunity now.
How is it?
Because understanding real biology is not only looking at the genomic level, but combining that with other modes, proteomics, genomics, and so on. And that becomes so complicated that you need AI frontier models to really pick up the signals. And in the end, what I think the future will bring us here is that we can start to predict biology in a much different way than we could have done before. And that certainly is what AI is, and the understanding of biology and the vast amount of data we can create with sequencing is actually opening up with a new revolution in healthcare. It will completely change our understanding of biology, and we can completely understand how we can treat diseases and provide the right drugs to patients over the next 5 years to come. So I'm very excited about the future of
I think I'm going to get the fry for this. Smell like.
18 CEOs, Jacob, to attend the trip with President Trump. Right now, your technology is
So you don't want to win on that for you. So just let me know what they did. Sunday that we need no more for this. Oh, we need to wake up and don't go. And now I saw the food they plenty for this.
and then we use reagents to sequence patients or samples, which could both be research, but could also be for customers that is using that to look at different types of diagnostic samples. So
It is hot sun, so the bake for inside.
continue to serve our customers in China. I was honored to be on the trip to the U.S. delegation.
I think the bake for inside is easy.
An opportunity to have conversations on the highest level with regulators and the Chinese administration to ensure they understood the importance of Illumina brings to the table, not only here in the US or Europe, but around the world, also in China. I truly believe that China and the Chinese population needs to have Illumina in the country. Our innovations, what we provide, what we ensure that can change healthcare for China is going to be important. So we continue to work through that with the regulators and the China administration. But the trip to China with the U.S. delegation was
Why you talk about that in Job requested. Okay, that boy when I go drop it in
the
there.
U.S. and academic and other government finance research
Job
areas.
requested.
Obviously, it's been subject to some restrictions here. Is that relevant to the outlook from here on out?
Yeah, so the business that we are in, we kind of see ourselves with three main business segments. We have our clinical business, which is on fire right now. We see a strong growth in that, and we can expect that to continue, as I mentioned, with the implementation of genomic sequencing into
with all those things.
and then we have the pharma.
With Bergman will not take any one
and profile
until someone will get sick, they will say that they're not office at that time, other than those who are.
Last year of the academic research environment has been muted. That is also a part of our business. We have built that into our expectations, so we expect that to be improved over the next period.
Oh my God, shoot.
Now, so for me, that's an upside to our performance.
Okay, Jacob Bates, the CEO of Illumina, shares down about 4%. We'll be watching. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me.
All right, time now for a CNBC News update. Contessa Brewer has that.
Hey, Mobeta doce am bunga. Hey, Mobeta doce open bunga wo. Hey, baba. Olo bunga no pe wanda.
On the Moroccan border in North Africa. Spain has deployed the
Yeah,
military
what was that
to
on
save
bunga de
thousands
Boraizo?
of people who had crossed into this territory.
What a shiny go.
FIFA President Gianni Infantino's plans to sell part of the World Cup's commercial rights continue to collapse. Carlos Cordera, a former Goldman Sachs banker and key advisor to Infantino, resigned in protest today, saying he opposes the plan unequivocally. FIFA issued a statement acknowledging the global backlash, and pledging a commitment to an open
Mooks.
consultation.
Mood. Why are you coming to cooker now?
They're extending the run of the Odyssey 7mm IMAX screens through mid-September. There are massive demand to see that movie in the format for which it was shot. There are only 25 screens in the U.S. and a total
So the song's the national anthem, yeah?
physical film. Which director Chris
The song's the national anthem.
and we were talking about going to
No.
and apparently there are people selling
Pull up in a what, Jizzy? And a Phantom, yeah? Tell them, dog. They don't even know, man.
Or even four figures in some cases. Check this morning. You're booked up through August. We'll see when this next group of dates drops.
Huh?
Thank you. After the break, how the market
Bro, no. I'm not ready to go back to school. Where do you go back to school?
look at how AI spending plans are impacting the software trade.
Huh?
And is that a
When's your orientation?
markets down
Huh?
across the board as Treasury yields may be off.
Damn.
We treat your goals as our own. We'll never lose focus on the life you want to build. And our experienced advisors design custom-built strategies to help
Like,
you.
that's not.
It's time for a wealth management experience as sophisticated as you are. It's time for Corient.
It is time for you to invest in yourself, and there is no time to waste.
I have a lot of friends I've watched accomplish all of
I
their
wonder.
dreams, and I was sitting back wishing it was me. But I knew that sooner or later it would be me.
You're gonna do something with your time. If you just make that choice to go to school, you can do it, and you shouldn't wait.
The right time is right now. Southern New Hampshire University can help you take the next step to your future.
Cell therapy is transforming how we treat many diseases. Meet Fiber Biologics, NASDAQ FBLG, 160 patents issued and pending, leveraging a diverse library of commercial use fibroblast cells that naturally fight disease and repair
Don't
tissue.
piss me off. I suggest you don't piss me off. And again, don't piss me off. I suggest you don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. I suggest you don't piss me off.
Trials for wound care and multiple sclerosis. Fibrobiologics, FBLG.
When I started Walton Goggins goggle glasses, I didn't know how to turn all this fancy prettiness into a classy looking logo. But GoDaddy Aero does with its magical AI powers. It not only uses it, it slaps that sweet thing everywhere.
Every day our customers rely on us to keep their businesses connected, resilient, and running. The best infrastructure is infrastructure
That's onions. Hope it's a reject, dude. Oh, cause this could sink. Now we're doomed, fool. Yeah.
For cash, even a term policy. Visit CoventryDirect.com to find out what your policy could be worth. Or call 800.
Yeah, more better that you don't finish your chop, oh. You know you go up today, no chop.
2500.
What do you want to eat?
I'm coming when I come back. Huh?
Supplements people can trust.
I don't know yet. Don't pull nothing yet. When I come, I'll let you know.
Delivery designed so your body can actually take it in and you can feel the benefits.
It's already past spam. I already look at the market is going down. I already set my traps. Only on one though. If it hits you, you buy. If it doesn't hit you, that's fine.
When does it expire?
Today.
Oh.
Because the market can keep going down though.
I mean, it's rebounding right now, but I can see it going down still.
More better do that.
Me kuna de run no.
They would have run no more very calm. They boom their mind.
Jason Greenberg, Jeffries, co-head of global tech media and telecom investment banking. A lot going on there. Let's start with CapEx though.
My back hurt. I don't know what I was that thing I'm going to do push up on. But my back hurt.
And yet Jesse says the demand actually exceeds what we can even supply.
You not going for the therapy no more?
Today? Nah. I'm actually not scheduled.
Oh, you're not scheduled today?
Nah. Or so I think I'm not scheduled.
Oh, you finished already?
No, I still have something to do next week. But I'll be done probably before I go back to school.
Huh?
I said I'll be done with this one before I go back to school. Huh? Am I gonna what? It depends how I'm feeling. Hopefully not, but if I have to, I'm gonna do it. What? Hmm? It's okay. Is it? Damn. All this grind? Are you serious? Come on.
Sense are you getting in terms of how they're using AI and how do you answer that question in terms of whether this thing is going to generate a sufficient return on all that capital?
There's no way to know today. People are taking shortcuts, looking at growth rates, looking at change in profitability.
What are you making?
To get an idea of what's the underlying profitability being driven by AI.
Sure.
Why is that thing still on your head?
It's very difficult. You've gone from earlier this year, people token maxing and basically racing with employees to see who could use AI the most, to people beginning to
Meta is up today, Microsoft up today.
that we're gaining from it right now because people
Only Apple is shitting.
running through CapEx budgets on AI within months of the year and are forced to basically figure out are they getting a
Flex.
return on it.
I didn't buy Flex no more. That's my swing trade I used to do. I don't do it no more. Because when I'm bump all my money on beer on options.
Nice.
I've lost a lot of money on that option. A lot of money. All my leap option went to zero. More than $12,000.
Hi.
It's small changes in what's happening with token value, utilization, the capacity life of what's happening with the chips being deployed, even financing costs now
dramatically change what you think the ROI from deployment is. You don't have it from the end user standpoint.
Let's see if this.
As the primary source, we haven't seen since to question how long and at what level of investment being made. It doesn't seem to have slowed.
Here is Jacques Critical though.
Going to exceed the cost of capital, but it's another additional thing that investors I think should be.
But it's exhausted. It is exhausted. If it breaks, this trade's invalidated. So let's see.
I do have a question, Jason, about what areas are being starved, if any, in your view?
I'm a junkie with it.
Markets are being dominated by, the AI build-out. In your area, other areas of
It's right there. It's touched. Let's see.
that there's gaps being underserved?
Oh, it's interesting. It's almost a push versus pull.
Uh-oh.
Like Apple today, whose stock is down 10%. They're down 10% because the greater CapEx you think goes towards AI hyperscalers, the less chip capacity, memory capacity, etc. is available at prices that consumers will pay for, devices and the like. So I think it's a push-pull. The more money that goes into AI hyperscalers, it's coming out of, again, things like budgets for coming out of software, which I think for a while had a lot of investment going into it. But I don't think the story's been told. I think the volatility right now is the market trying to assess on a real-time basis where the best deployment of capital is. I think you're going to have this story if we talk again in 3 months. I don't think it'll be different. It feels a little bit to me like 20 years ago when you saw investors trying to
Okay, man.
see the long-term value of cloud software.
Let's see.
Real easy ways for people to judge return on investment. It took time for the business models to actually mature and for investors to get a better handle. You saw volatility as the stock prices go down. You saw the investment continue to accelerate. I feel like we're early in this AI CapEx investment cycle. Everyone knows that AI use is going to be enormous. No one knows where the profit's going to come from. And I think until that begins to settle out, you're going to see the kinds of dislocation we have.
Could be a while. Jason, appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
New York suing Kalshi for $36 billion, alleging it's facilitated illegal gambling. We'll have more details.
Corporate operations demand
Hi.
execution speed and reliability. Enter Circle 8, a business transformation platform operating throughout North America and Europe, with over 16,000 specialists delivering technology and workforce solutions to the largest private and public entities.
Styles OC closed already.
Exceeding $1.2 billion while trading at a fraction of that size. Through recent acquisitions, Circle 8 is
So I be meaning, bro. I'm ready to lose on this one though. I'm ready to lose like a band. So this determines the month. If we're actually gonna finish it red, so be it, bro. I deserve it.
The beauty about taking classes at the University of Maryland Global Campus was I was able to do them in multiple places. So I was in North Carolina, then Huntsville, Alabama. Being able to take those classes at any time, anywhere was absolutely critical to my success.
I enrolled in UCO down in Wichita Falls, Texas, and then I moved to Warner Robins in Georgia.
From South Korea to Colorado to New York, I was able to continue my education flawlessly.
I live in Virginia. UMGC offered me the flexibility that I wasn't really going to get anywhere else, and they absolutely were able to make the schedule work for me as a professional.
They ensure that you have what you need, no matter if it was stateside, overseas.
UMGC all day.
To do any degree as long as it was at UMGC, because I just
Most
know
probably
experience
cook.
all around.
Succeed again with UMGC.
God knows.
Anywhere across the country and
No, I
wherever
cook
you
when I
are
sabi
in life,
cook.
visit UMGC.edu.
Nah, you sabi.
Papa.
She has no idea she's sitting on a gold mine. She doesn't know that if she owns a life insurance policy of $100,000 or more, she can sell all or part of it to Coventry for cash, even a term policy. Even a term policy?
Even a term policy.
Find out if you're sitting on a gold mine. Call Coventry Direct today at 800-476-0100 or visit CoventryDirect.com.
Being a champion isn't about trophies. It's about chasing something deeper. It's about
Jesus, if not, it's clips. Damn.
CEO Council about 3 years ago, and one of the valuable things I received from CNBC's CEO Council is actually one specific person I met. We partnered and developed a program together that we're rolling out all over the world. It's been really a tremendous opportunity, personally and professionally.
Welcome back. New York State is suing prediction markets platform Kalshi, calling it an illegal gambling operation. Contessa Brewer has the latest on the story. Pretty stark words there, Contessa.
Yeah, it's true, Sina. I mean, it dramatically escalated this battle with Kalshi, not only accusing the prediction platform of operating illegal gambling
It's so simple, it's so
elections
complicated.
and other cultural events, but also seeking to stop Kalshi operating in the state and recover the company's gains. They say with that and fees it could be
That's a serious bounce, bro.
penalties of as much as $100,000.
Serious bounce. Oh my days.
Immediate move was to remove the case from state court in Manhattan to federal court, asking that it be linked to Kalshi's existing lawsuit against New York gaming regulators. Now, earlier this month, a federal judge in New York rejected Kalshi's request to block the state from
Yeah.
enforcing its own
Look at
gambling
his
laws,
clips
ruling that the
on
federal
time.
law does not automatically preempt state gambling regulations. Kalshi has appealed that. In this case today, Kalshi has sent me a statement basically calling it political theater and saying that the state has killed it to please casinos. But other states are also waging fierce battles. Massachusetts and Washington have won preliminary injunctions against Kalshi in state court. Michigan secured a temporary restraining order. In federal court, Maryland defeated Kalshi's attempts to stop state enforcement. And Nevada has a full
Infantino.
and just keeps winning in court. Kalshi, however, has won important federal rulings in New Jersey and in Minnesota. So that leaves courts sharply divided. Kalshi, of course, has a commercial relationship with CNBC, including a minority investment and customer acquisition. The federal regulator in this case, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, is entering the legal fray. This is notable. It is suing states, saying they're trying to usurp federal authority. So, effectively, you have a federal regulator fighting on behalf of the company that is regulated. The American Gaming Association, by the way, has also just sent me a statement pointing out that they think $1.2 billion in tax revenues, guys, has been stripped by the entrance of prediction markets on the national scene.
It was already got stopped out in damn near 2 minutes. Yeah.
Traded sports betting operations have really made a lot of the fact that the national CFTC approval of
She said she is.
has enabled them de facto to move into states that did not legalize sports gambling. How does that play in?
That's a big, I mean, it was really essential for investors. You had DraftKings and FanDuel, parent Flutter, which
What
is traded
popcorn?
here in New York on the stock exchange, basically kept out of Florida, which is a monopoly by the Hard Rock and Seminole tribe, kept out of California, kept out of Texas, the three most populous states in the nation. Investors were demanding they essentially needed to by paying in on the prediction market. But look, DraftKings and FanDuel, they're a core business in sports. I don't think that there's any interest in elections or some of the more financial type markets. And I asked the CEO of DraftKings, what happens if sports is stripped out of prediction markets? And there's not a lot of interest there without sports.
Didn't need that. Oh, you did not, bro. Damn. Because this is the reset recovery. These are only high lows and high highs. And the wick, that's like disgusting, bro. I'm actually reading for that.
Well, there's a lot of aggression in there, Timmy. You're doing really well. Are you feeling anything? Coffee. I don't understand, but this is going very well. No. Coffee. Coffee? Coffee. Coffee.
I saw exhausted volume, bro. But, hey, bro.
Universal Coin and Bullion is a live partner for gold, silver, rare coins, and precious metal IRAs. They're offering callers 2 1-ounce American Silver Eagles and a 1 10-ounce American Gold Eagle at actual dealer cost.
Welcome to Pleasantville Overtime.
Get the essential post-market edge, after-hours action, and opportunities.
Big earnings all due in the next few minutes.
The economic impact is
Closing bell overtime, 4 p.m. Eastern, CNBC.
Winning on the field, but it's even more fun winning on Deal Dash.
Lori won a $2,000 Tiffany.
That's come like a show. Nah, double O. Like, come on.
There's millions of fast options. So try today.
We will see, though.
$50 of free credit and your first win guaranteed.
Hair can be complicated, but your hair should be. At Kitsch, we listened to our customers, what they want, and that's what we gave them. Rich lather, real results, with no luxury markup. Kitsch, hair care without compromise.
We didn't build Grow to be another option on the shelf. We built it to change the way supplements feel. Every ingredient, every dose. Our goal is simple: help you feel the benefits fast. All of Row's products use liposomal delivery for better absorption, which means more impact, less guesswork. You'll feel it, and once you do, you'll get why we started this. Row, high absorption, real results.
Yo. Damn. You serious? What kind of bounce is this, bro? Heat. Sounds on my month, bro. 3 minutes spike clips now. Wow.
Interesting context, Oliver, thank you. Up next, we're watching shares of Novo Nordisk getting crunched on new trial data. We've got the details. Let's walk on the street returns.
30. Bro. It's like, are we serious, bro? Like, damn.
I got the book and I read it in a weekend. It's just like, wow, I hope people won't you have an investing program as soon as possible.
Measurable on being successful. I have a couple stocks, but I don't have many of them anymore. It's all options for me.
I will not go out and buy shares anymore. I just buy options.
I would say if you were considering working from God to pay for options to Delaware, you're learning from guys with 25 plus years in business.
I highly recommend everyone gets John Lee's book because there's
Get your free copy while they last at itsnotanoption.com. Itsnotanoption.com.
corporate operations demand execution speed and reliability. Enter Circle 8, a business transformation platform operating throughout North America and Europe. With over 16,000 specialists delivering technology and workforce solutions to the largest private and public entities worldwide, CIRC generates annualized revenues exceeding $1.2 billion while trading at a fraction of that size. Through recent acquisitions, Circle 8 is rapidly taking market share from the major international consulting firms. CIRC on NASDAQ.
You've put up with your old shower for too long. It's outdated,
shower remodel when Jacuzzi can do it in just one day. And there's no need to break a sweat or your budget. Right now, we're waiving all installation costs, plus offering 0 interest and 0 payments for up to 1 year. So you can finally convert your old bath to a safer, easy entry shower, complete with a custom seat, grab bars, and slip-resistant floor installed in 1 day.
My overall experience with Jacuzzi has been wonderful. Everything was custom.
All right, bro.
I wanted it for the price that I wanted.
Great experience. There's Isla.
Huh?
The terrace, find Isla.
Hell no, bro.
Give Jacuzzi Battery Hall a call.
There are only weeks remaining during our limited time offer. We're waiving all installation costs.
Bro, what the hell?
1 year. Go to jacuzzibathroom.com or call 800-37.
Nah, this is funky. Like dead ass.
Become a better investor. His whole life he's done whatever it takes to be successful, and he brings all of that to you in the club.
Join the club and get a free copy of Jim's latest book. Go to cnbc.com/Kramer.
Good Friday morning. Welcome to Swap on the Street. I'm David Fable with Simo Modi. We're live from Post 9.
To the lower high, but I think it's clips, bro. Dead ass.
Shares are falling. We're going to break down both the company's quarters and what they may signal about the latest
And there's clips,
trading.
but yeah.
Plus, much more tech valuations. Tom LeBron
Damn, bro.
joins us. How he's looking at the software sector.
And New York suing Kalshi today, alleging illegal gambling. We'll discuss the implications of the lawsuit with a member of Kalshi's board. Also this hour, President Trump holding a cabinet meeting at Camp David. We'll monitor that event and bring you the highlights. Let's take a look at markets. Stocks fading a little bit here. The Dow Industrials though still up by around 65 points. Nasdaq Composite rebounding here for the third straight day, up 1/3 of 1%. But the yield, the markets, the bond market, David, that is where you could argue is where we're seeing more action with yields climbing.
Yeah, and that did have an impact. We're seeing a bit of a rebound now, but certainly has had an impact on the broader market in terms of particularly the long end, seeing those yields, as you just said, climb. Let's get back to those big tech earnings. Of course, Kate Rooney's covering Amazon. Mackenzie Sagalos has got Apple covered for us. Kate, let's start with you.
Yeah, David, so Amazon really did thread the needle in the quarter. The company showed tangible AI growth, and that helped justify higher CapEx spending that Amazon is now forecasting. The AWS AI revenue was a big story, as well as the custom semiconductor business, both of those topping $25 billion in ARR, growing triple-digit percentages according to the company. There had been a little bit of jitters around CapEx heading into the print. Amazon does expect to spend more this year, about $220 billion versus $200 billion that was previously forecasted. CEO Andy Jassy said that is mostly the result of higher costs, of memory in particular pushing that number up. The word of the analyst call, guys, from Andy Jassy was demand. He spent a lot of that call with investors talking about this boom in AWS and clients' appetite for AI.
We will still not have enough capacity to meet all the demand we have in 2026, and I believe this dynamic will also be true in 2027 too. In fact, the demand we already have for 2028 is striking. And remember, enterprises are still very early in using inference at scale in their current production applications.
A lot of bullish calls on the street this morning as a result. Evercore's Mark Mahaney saying that Amazon is coming through the CapEx digestion phase faster and more profitably than feared. Others calling this a long-awaited growth inflection when you look at AWS. Amazon's earnings story overall, the cloud growth, very similar to what we heard from Microsoft, which also blew through expectations on that AI growth and cloud. The stock added almost $500 billion in market cap on Thursday. That was the most ever by a public company. Amazon also on a tear this week. The stocks had underperformed this year, though. Heading into results, they are now catching up with some of those double-digit gains this week, David. Well, that's
So.
all good. Yeah, we're watching that stock up 14%. Thank you, Kate. Now let's pivot to Apple.
What?
Earnings, a slightly different move there, Mackenzie, with that stock down about 9%. Yeah, so see, with the split between Amazon and Apple, maybe the best example so far this earnings season.
I usually eat like at least 4 by myself.
Amazon surging even after raising its spending outlook, while Apple shares, as you said,
Yeah, it's clips. What day? What a month. Damn. Sure. So, stream about to end now, Brody. Damn. That sounds whack, bro. I'm not gonna lie. What is this today? Lost 1,100. Damn, not much. Did you check the other trades? Oh. But anyways, yeah, lost 1,100. Just like, wow. What the hell? It's a little higher. 64. Damn. Which is pretty annoying. Bro, someone has to end this week red. 3:30. Bro. It just makes Wednesday's day so much worse. All this. Okay. Let's say I might be kind of forced because from here all the way down like this. This is a almost $4 rise back. And PTC hasn't done me right in God knows how long. So I might be baked for taking that. But yeah, something about to back test my ass off over the weekend. Cause I was supposed to end this week red, let alone this month red. So that's bad, bro. Barely green year to date. It's like, damn. Yeah. Lost 1,260 this month. Are we serious? That's ridiculous. Damn, bro. It's ridiculous, bro. But say, oh, the worst part. Gets worse for gets better. I don't know, bro. Tired of that. Tired of that talk. But yeah, that's about it. I'll see y'all next month, bro.